Hey subbies, we're going to be doing the behind the scenes tag today. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to share all these amazing tips and tricks and insider information with all of you sensational subbies. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these amazing fun videos that I have to share with you. And be sure to check out my bonfire link in the description box below. I have some adorable merchandise, mugs, t-shirts, kids clothing, tote bags. They're all adorable because they all support the amazing message, sensational smiles go for miles. Go and check them out now. The link will be in the description box below. Let's get into this fun-filled tag. Where do you find inspiration for your videos? For my book reviews, a lot of them I get from my bookshelf, but I also get them from reading lists that I see on Instagram, or even the new books that are available on the library's on order list, which is an amazing place for inspiration for bookworms. For my tag videos, I like to see what other YouTubers are doing. That could be some fun tags to inspire me, or looking on websites for fun YouTube tag video idea questions. Do you have a Word document notebook dedicated to your videos? I do all of my questions that I answer for my videos, and I keep them on my phone's notes, and then I delete them after I finish filming the video to keep me very organized and on track. How long do you prepare for a video? About 10 to 15 minutes. I'll brush my hair, I'll brush my teeth, I'll make sure that I like the outfit that I'm wearing, and then I'll set up the lighting there. If the lighting that's coming in from the window there isn't enough to fully light up the shot the way that I want it to be. What time of day do you like to film? I like to film a lot in the afternoons because then the lighting will fully come into the window, so I don't need to use any external lighting to light up my shots. Show and tell us where you film. A lot of where I film is actually against blank walls like this one, because it makes it very easy to light the shot without having to position multiple sources of lighting behind the camera and to the sides of the camera to light up the shot the way that I'd want it to be lit up. And it gives a nice continuity to all of my videos there, that they all have the same background to make it more pleasant to watch and enjoy. Natural lighting or studio lighting? A lot of the lighting that I use is natural lighting, but if the natural lighting isn't sufficient, I will use some lamps on either side of the camera. What type of camera do you film with? I film with a camcorder. This here is the camcorder that I used to film with, and it is a beautiful camcorder. I love using it. I got it for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. Do you ever script your videos or go off of an outline? Normally I don't go off of a script or an outline unless I'm doing a tag video where I have the questions on my phone that I refer to, so I don't skip or miss any questions. If you edit your videos, what program do you use? iMovie, because I had recently gotten an Apple laptop and I love using it for my video editing. It makes it so simple, so easy, and I get some amazing quality final products from it, which I love that. How long are your unedited videos before you scale them down? They're typically about 20 minutes before I scale them down and edit the clips to get them to be around 10 minutes normally. How many times do you try to film per week? I typically will try to film 6 to 8 times per week, depending on what the lighting is allowing me for filming time. How often do you pre-film your videos? I normally will try to pre-film a month in advance, so I have content for a month's worth of videos, which for me that's uploads Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'll have 12 videos done so I can have them up to have content for a month in case I have a vacation or a family emergency happen, so I can still have my content going up on my channel on a regular basis. How long will a typical video take from start of setting up to uploading? That'll normally take me about 2 hours from start to finish. Especially if they're large files, they tend to take 10 to 15 minutes just to render onto my computer before I can upload them. Are there any topics that are off limits? No, there are no topics that are off limits because I love learning about any and all new inspiration that I can include on my channel for upcoming future videos. I love sharing all this behind the scenes information with all of you sensational subbies. I would love to see your videos of your behind the scenes, so after you film them, make sure you DM me on Instagram the link to your YouTube videos. I'd love to watch them and make sure that I'll give them a thumbs up as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation, my Twitter is Comedy Addict, and I'm going to be picking some comments on my Instagram for those of you to get a shout out in my next video. So make sure you go to my Instagram, you like and you comment, and I'm going to pick some comments for a shout out in my next video. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.